Hello and welcome to today's lesson where we will learn how to make sense of cryptocurrency value and learn what market cap means. So if you're ready, let's get this lesson started. In our previous lesson, we learned how cryptocurrency tokens are assigned a price. Following the price of a particular cryptocurrency can tell you a great deal about it. When the price changes rapidly, steadily, or erratically, it can mean many different things. I always recommend that before anyone invests in a cryptocurrency, they spend time tracking the price so they get a sense of what is the normal price in the market. The price can be thought of as a single number containing countless amount of information. The media is generally terrible at reporting truthfully or competently when covering crypto. At a high level, comparing what the price is telling you with what an article is telling you can help you quickly filter out dishonest or deceptive news pieces. Price can tell us a lot, but one thing it doesn't allow us to do is to know the value of the cryptocurrency network, nor does the token price help us compare value between cryptocurrencies. For instance, let's say you want to invest 100 USD into cryptocurrency and you are deciding between cryptocurrency A with a token price of $100 and cryptocurrency B with a token price of $10. If you choose to buy crypto A, you'll receive 1 token. If you choose to buy crypto B, you'll receive 10 tokens. Very often, beginners to cryptocurrency will incorrectly come to the conclusion that crypto B is cheaper than crypto A because they will get 10 tokens instead of 1 token for the same 100 USD. 10 is more than 1, so it is a better deal, they think. I beg you, my students, not to fall into this way of thinking. In this example, you would have $100 worth of crypto A or $100 worth of crypto B. Neither is cheaper. To you, they represent the same value, which is the $100 that you've put in. If the price goes up 10%, you will still have made only $10 regardless if the valuation is rising on 1 or 10 tokens. Having more tokens does not necessarily mean you have more wealth. This seems a bit counterintuitive, but I hope to make it more clear shortly. Let's look at what we know about cryptocurrency A and B. Which is the more valuable network? The answer is we don't know because there is a critical piece of information that is missing: the supply or amount of total tokens available in each network. All cryptocurrencies have a different amount of tokens within their networks. This information can be used along with the price to generate the market cap, which is the price multiplied by the supply. Market cap, because it takes into consideration the price and the supply, is able to give a fuller picture of the value of the network that neither the price nor supply could provide alone. If we learn that crypto A has 100,000 tokens and crypto B has 1 million tokens, and if we calculate their market caps, we will see that both have a market cap worth $10 million. 1 token of A is worth the same as 10 tokens of B. Websites like coinmarketcap.com and coingeeko.com do these calculations for you and rank the cryptocurrencies according to market cap. You can easily see which cryptocurrencies have more expensive networks and which are cheaper. You can use this same information to determine yourself if the current price is a deal or too expensive. Word of warning here, there are a number of coins that use misleading supply amounts to artificially raise the value of their market cap. This is done by creating an insanely large number of coins, but only allowing a relatively small amount available in circulation. Ripple is one such coin. Just like fiat currencies, tokens are divisible into smaller units. For instance, the base unit in Dash is 1 Dash, a milli Dash is 1/1000th of a Dash, and a micro Dash is 1/1,000,000th of a Dash. One repeated word of warning, my dear students: it is a common trick amongst cryptocurrencies to take advantage of the inexperienced by creating networks with enormous supplies. They do this not for any technical reasons, but because they are attempting to take advantage of human psychology to want to own whole numbers instead of fractional numbers. By creating a huge supply, their tokens will be very inexpensive, and for a relatively small amount of money, people will be able to acquire whole amounts of the token. They know that for $10, people would rather have 1,000 tokens instead of 1/10th of a token, even if it is exactly the same value. As we've already discussed, having 1,000 tokens versus 0.1 tokens of another cryptocurrency doesn't tell you which is worth more if you don't know the price. What matters is how much they are worth, their current value, which is the number of tokens you own times the token price, not how big the number is that you hold. We, of course, will be discussing in our coming lessons more ways to stay safe and avoid making mistakes. In fact, our next lesson topic will be how to keep your crypto safe. Your homework for today's lesson is to share this lesson with a friend or family member who might be struggling with the concept cheap coins. If you support the work we do, please consider contributing to our crowdfunding campaigns or becoming a sponsor. We'd like to thank this semester sponsor, the Children of Armenia Fund, for their support of the Հայկական Crypto Դպրոց. Co-op is doing a great job providing a foundation for learning for Armenia's rural youth. Check in with them on their website to see if they have any upcoming events near you to get involved. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Bye for now, my dear students. See you in the next class.